Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Quintillion here. I am here to explain when we add the ing to words, how we go about figuring out which way we do which. So this is adding the ending ing. We did adding ed a few weeks ago, but this is adding ing. So I have three different ways to look at this. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is concentrate on this first column when we add ing without changing anything. When we add ing without changing anything, we have a word that has an ending blend. Remember, a blend at the end. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to erase that, and I'm going to put it in a different color so you can see it. How about I put it in green, since it's Christmas. So I'm already underlined camp, but I'm going to underline the MP. Since this is a blend at the end, then we do not do anything else to the word except add the ending, ing. The same thing goes for the word lick. That's a welded sound. CK comes when it's a short vowel. And so we do not double anything or add anything else. We just add the ending ing. A word like drift has a blend at the beginning. It also has a blend at the end. FT. So we just add the ing ending. When we have and these all have short vowels. Camp does as well. When we have the word help, has a short vowel with a blend at the end. So we just add ing to become helping. So camping, licking, drifting, helping. The word sing is one of those we call the welded sounds. We keep the ng together, and then we add ing. My second column is the drop the e, add ing. Drop e, add ing. These are going to be the words that are the silent e words. We've practiced silent e just this week. Now we have words with silent e. So we have the word bake. And the silent e, before we go to add the ing, we drop the e and then add the ing to the word. So it becomes baking. The word joke, we drop the e and then we add the ing to become joking. The word give has a silent e. Drop the e and add the ing, and it becomes giving. The word slide, drop the e and then add ing to make it sliding. And the last one I gave an example, use, drop the e and then add ing to make using. So the second one is the silent e pattern. The last column I have here is when to double the consonant and then add the ing. So this is a plus ing. So those are when we have a vowel consonant pattern. We've talked about vowel consonant patterns. Those are also called our closed syllables. So a closed syllable, like the word run, becomes running. But if you notice, we added another N before we added ing. We have win, vowel, consonant, short vowel, and we added another N before we add the ing. So we double the consonant before we add ing. Sit is another closed syllable with a short vowel. That's when we add another T and add ing, sitting. And cut, vowel, consonant, here's another closed syllable, and we add the other T before adding ing. Another choice, another word would be a word like pop. Another one that has a vowel, consonant, short vowel. So we add pop and we make it popping. 2 syllables. Add that extra P before adding ing. So these are the reasons, or these are the ways that we know how to add those ing. 3 different patterns. We just add the ing when it's a welded sound or a blend at the end. We drop the E if it's a silent E word before adding ing, or we double the consonant before adding ing, like in run. Those are those short vowel words. So those are some of the choices, and you can go and look in books. Maybe you can find some more to add to your green box paper. All right. See you later. Take care.